Exercise number 1. Sumo Squat. The sumo squat is a lower body strength exercise that's a variation of a standard squat. The key difference in the squat is that you take a wider stance and position your feet turn out. The benefits of squat exercise. Squats burn calories and might help you lose weight. They also lower your chances of injuring your knees and ankles. As you exercise, the movement strengthens your tendons, bones, and ligaments around the leg muscles. Exercise number 2. Lunge. The dumbbell lunge is a multi-joint exercise that builds the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. Since the knees and hips flex and extend during the movement, you will train those muscle groups. Benefits of lunges. Improve balance and coordination of the body. Lunges improve the balance and coordination of our body drastically. Boost flexibility. Gluteal muscles activation. Provide muscular symmetry. Better spinal health. Minimizes risk of injury. Exercise number 3. Straight leg deadlift. Deadlifting not only offers a fantastic muscle and strength gains, but also the development of mobility. Deadlifts, and particularly the straight leg variant, will also help you avoid knee injuries. While the primary cause of knee injuries is a weak quad, the secondary reason is due to weak hamstrings. The benefits of deadlifts. Activate your hip extensors. Deadlifts are among the best exercises for training your hip extensor. Reduce lower back pain. Improve jump performance. Exercise number 4. Barbell hip thrust. A barbell hip thrust is a lower body strength training exercise defined by lifting your lower back and torso with your knees bent and your upper body resting on a bench. With proper form, the barbell hip thrust works muscle groups across your entire lower body, particularly the gluteal muscles. The benefit of barbell hip thrust strengthens the muscles in the hip, buttocks, and quadriceps. It helps stabilize the pelvis, lower back, and knees. Exercise number 5. Lever seated leg curl. The seated hamstring curl is an exercise you can do with a weight machine to work at the muscles in the back of the thigh. As the name implies, the seated hamstring curl targets the hamstring muscles here in the back of the thigh. Strong hamstring muscles help to protect your ligaments in the knee. The benefit of lever seated leg curl. Hamstring isolation. Improved flexibility. Injury reduction and lower body stability. Knee and hip joint reinforcement.